Nagbabalik po ang pambansang almusal dahil sa mga insidente tulad ng natural disaster, rape o kahit sa matinding stress. Nagkakaroon ang tao ng tinatawag na trauma. Pero ano nga bang makailangan gawin para mawala o malinasan ang ganitong sitwasyon? Yan po ating alam ngayong umaga kasama si Mr. Chris Balsley, ang TRE expert, psychotherapist, and licensed professional counselor. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Thank you. It's an honor and a privilege to be here.
Yes. And of course, mga kaibigan, kasama pa rin po natin si Louie Angsico, ang Director ng Human Capital Development. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Louie, nako. Maganda ito sapagkat pangunahin na naiisip natin pagkadating ng trauma, ng mga masamang nangyari sa atin. Itong pinakahuling pagtama ng kalamidad, which is Bagyong Yolanda. Pero pumapasok at tumutulong para ito ay maagapan ang mga TRE experts na tulad ni Sir Chris. But please, sir, can you tell us exactly what is tension and trauma release exercises?
Tension and trauma release exercises are the work of a man named David Berceli. He worked with Mother Teresa for 2 years, and in that time he saw a great need for healing. And he realized he needed to discover something that was very powerful, that could be taught to many people very quickly. TRE is a series of 6 exercises that allows you to release tension in a way that we don't have to tell the story. We basically do the exercises, we lie down on the floor, and our body begins to involuntarily tremble. And when we're done, we sit up and we're different.
And how does it help to lessen the stress and trauma symptoms of a person?
Most of the impact that we have in stress and trauma is in our body. We get tight.
Yes.
We can't sleep. We have nightmares.
Yes.
With these exercises, we release the tension in the body. And when we release the tension in the body, we become different people. We go back to being peaceful, happy, and joyful.
Do these exercises cause emotions to surface?
They can, but we don't tell the story. It's just a matter of having an emotion come up and letting it go.
So so definitely there's no talking or releasing of negative feedback that you have in your mind by means of talking.
Wala
Just
nang
purely
usapan.
exercises.
Ensayo lang. Puro ensayo, wala nang usapan kung ano nangyari. Marirelease yung trauma.
Paano napasok ang inyong grupo sa ganitong effort? Kasi ang alam natin sa maraming pagkakataon na ang pating pamahalaan ay may ginagawa para kumbaga ma-release ang trauma na naranasan, mabawasan yung impact sa negosyo dahil sa marami talagang mga bagay doon na nasira. Paano napasok ang inyong grupo?
Kasi yung consulting company namin, taon-taon, nag-aaral kami para maging mas magaling kaming mga facilitator at coach. May dalawa kaming teammate, si Michelle Beck at saka si Chong Mio Ching sa Singapore. Naging estudyante sila ni Chris. And na-discover nila na maganda tong exercises kasi simple lang at mabilis, effective. So ngayon, nung nangyari yung Yolanda, tumawag sila sa amin sa Manila. Gusto niyo bang dalhin natin si Chris Balsley sa Manila? Doon siya nagsimula. Nung una kumpanya lang namin, pero ngayon, dahil sa usapan na to, si Chris meron siyang 17 na mga estudyante galing sa iba't ibang bansa. Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Thailand, pati sa US, Canada. Pupunta silang lahat dito for free.
Volunteerism.
Volunteers para magturo ng TRE.
Ayun, magtuturo ng TRE. So pwede pala ito matutunan, pwede malaman ng isang tao. Pero mahaba ba ang proseso yun? Lalo't magtuturo, magkasanay sila ng pag-release ng tension and trauma?
Bale, para matuto, si Chris, nandito siya, meron siya mga 3-day sessions, 3 araw para mag-aral. Ako, nandun ako ngayon, nag-a-attend ako ngayon. Tapos, gagawin din namin, magpapatakbo kami niyan sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas para pagkatapos ng 3 araw, may mga 2 araw kaming tututukan, iikot kami sa komunidad para i-apply yung TRE sa mga tao sa communities.
So I've heard, Chris, that you have Yolanda victims in this country. How many provinces have you gone?
I've only been here to Manila right now, but we've done Skype sessions with victims from Tacloban, and we'll be going to 6 different places. I'm going
Which is?
to Tacloban, Bohol, we have teams going to Iloilo, Zamboanga, and we're working on Cebu right now.
And how many times you think you have to teach your students to become a TRE expert?
We don't become TRE experts, we become experts of our own experience.
Yes, okay.
And the magic and the revolutionary aspect is you can learn it in one time. You can come in and in 1 hour you'll learn the exercises and you'll experience them so you can go off and do it on your own.
Is it science? I mean, basically, TRE, before we thought that TRE is just in the brain, it's all in your mind, that you're experiencing this trauma and sort of release of tension, but basically you're not teaching anything that will have you to say what you've experienced, just movements of the body.
So when something bad happens to us, we can make this story really big. We can exaggerate it. We can also say, no, it never happened. But the impact on the body is real. And that's what we're working on, is the body. So we're not worried about the story. We just want to see what happens when you shake. That's all we're looking for.
So when your body shakes, that's it.
That's it.
Talaga.
Ang gusto ko pa dito yung mga biktima. May isa kaming Yolanda victim. Nagna-nightmare siya gabi-gabi.
Yes.
Isang session lang with Chris sa Skype, ha? Nasa
Skype,
cam lang,
oo.
cam.
Sa camera ng computer. Oo.
Pagkatapos nun sabi niya, wala na yung nightmares niya.
Talaga.
And that was one session.
Yes. At ang ginawa niya lang, nag-shake lang yung katawan niya. Gano'n.
Nag-ensayo lang siya. Ako, nag-shake rin ako.
Yes. Gano'n. Ako, talaga palang iiba itong tension and tension trauma release exercises na ito. Dahil sa una sa lahat, na-relieve ka ng tension, trauma na naranasan mo sa nakaraan. At gumagaan yung katawan mo, gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo dahil sa, di ba, release ka. Anyway.
Pati, hindi kailangan na traumatized ka para gawin mo yung TRE.
Yes.
Ginagamit din to ni Chris para sa mga kliyente niya ng mga executives, yung mga taong pang-araw-araw magagamit siya.
Alright, nako, napakaganda itong inyong layunin na ito at sana marami pang matulungan. Gano'n ba kagal ang pagtulong nyo doon sa mga biktima ng Yolanda?
Bale, nagsimula kami na pag-isipan to December 15, nagkagulo kami ng todo.
December 15 of last year?
Oo, so talagang grabe. Through the Christmas vacation, nag-usap-usap kami na ang maganda ngayon, pag alin nila Chris, nung 18 na tumutulong sa atin, ang maganda to, nakapag-training na ng 3 beses sa Manila, may training sa Tacloban, sa Cebu, sa Iloilo, sa Zamboanga, wala pala sa Cebu, sorry, sa Bohol, sa Cebu daan para mag-community service. Pagtapos nun, yung mga tao na makaka-attend na yun, pwede nilang ulit-ulitin at ituro kung saan. So sa Manila ngayon, makakatapos kami itong araw na to, may mga 50 kami, 50 na matatapos mo to ng TRE.
Ayan. May telephone number kayo or saan ba kayo maaaring makaugnay in case yung ating mga kababayan na nanonood ngayon ay mayroon interest dito sa ginagawa ninyo?
Alam kong pinakamaganda at uso naman sa Philippines, Facebook, diba?
Facebook.
So, ihanapin nyo lang yung RE Philippines 2014. Nandun lahat ng mga detalye. Pati meron din kaming website na hdgives.tumblr.com. Nandun yung mga detalye and mga phone number.
Ayan. Louie, maraming salamat sa oras ninyo. And Chris, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. It's really an honor.
Would you like to invite again our televiewers to participate in the tension and trauma release exercises?
I'd love to invite people to come to these trainings. The trainings are free, and when I do these trainings all across the world, they cost me $5 US and $900 US for training, and for here, they're free. We need people in the field as fast as we can.
Ayan. Thank you very much. Thank you, Louie. Thank you, Chris. At ako magigan, libre po ang TRE training ni Chris. Samahin niyo pagkat ito mga ganito pagkakataon, bihirang mangyari. Lahat sa ating bansa na tinamaan na matinding na nakarang taon. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much. Magabalik po ang paborito niyong morning show. Pamangal mo.